Stellantis, the parent company of Jeep, has unveiled the much-anticipated Jeep Avenger 4xe, marking a significant leap forward in the brand's electrification journey. Building upon the success of the Avenger, the 4xe variant seamlessly integrates Jeep's legendary off-road prowess with cutting-edge hybrid technology, offering unparalleled performance, efficiency, and freedom. The Jeep Avenger 4xe isn't just another addition to the lineup, it embodies Jeep's commitment to understanding and exceeding customer expectations. This new model caters to a diverse clientele, from outdoor enthusiasts and sports lovers to urban adventurers and off-road aficionados. Whether you crave open-air exploration or seek a compact car for daily commutes with weekend getaways in mind, the Avenger 4xe caters to your needs. The Avenger 4xe ushers in a new era of driving fun with its groundbreaking powertrain. This innovative system combines a robust 1.2-liter turbocharged engine with dual electric motors positioned at the front and rear of the vehicle. Paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, the 4xe offers the flexibility of pure electric driving at low speeds and an exhilarating boost in sport mode thanks to the e-boost function. The result? An impressive 136 horsepower and a top speed of 194 km per hour, surpassing the Avenger's e-hybrid model by 10 km per hour. Acceleration is equally impressive, with the 4xe reaching 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 9.5 seconds. This translates to a thrilling driving experience without compromising on eco-friendliness. The 4xe achieves this feat by combining all-wheel drive with hybrid technology, ensuring lower emissions and fuel consumption. The Jeep Avenger 4xe epitomizes the brand's core value of freedom. By offering a versatile powertrain and exceptional capability, Jeep empowers drivers to conquer any terrain with confidence. The 4xe boasts improved off-road angles, increased ground clearance of 210 mm, and the ability to ford up to 400 mm of water, surpassing the capabilities of the front-wheel drive Avenger. Additionally, the intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures traction is always available when needed. The Select Terrain system with various driving modes allows drivers to optimize performance for any situation. Choose from Auto for everyday driving, Snow for enhanced winter traction, Sand and Mud for conquering uneven terrain, or Sport to unleash the full potential of the 4xe's power and torque. Jeep has also incorporated its innovative multi-link rear suspension, typically found on larger vehicles, for superior comfort on rough roads. The Jeep Avenger 4xe stays true to its namesake, embodying the brand's adventurous spirit. From the distinctive exterior design to the meticulously crafted interior, every aspect of the vehicle reflects Jeep's dedication to excellence. The functional design caters to off-road requirements with features like a rear tow hook, standard roof rails for increased cargo capacity, and durable, easy-to-clean waterproof seats. The refreshed exterior elements include redesigned fog lights for improved nighttime visibility, while the roof rails and rear tow hook complement the vehicle's rugged persona. The bumpers are built for durability, and the optional hood sticker is crafted from a matte material to prevent sun glare while driving. Step inside the Avenger 4xe, and you'll be greeted by a host of innovative features designed for comfort and convenience. The cabin boasts new, unconventional seats that are not only stylish but also twice as durable and completely washable, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Standard M+S tires ensure reliable traction in various weather conditions, with the option to upgrade to all-terrain 3PMSF tires for challenging terrains. The black rims add a touch of aesthetic flair and maintain their appearance regardless of the driving conditions. The Jeep Avenger 4xe marks a significant turning point for the iconic brand. This new model seamlessly blends Jeep's rich heritage of off-road capability with cutting-edge hybrid technology, offering an unparalleled driving experience for a diverse range of customers. With orders slated to open by Q4 of 2024, the Avenger 4xe is poised to redefine the boundaries of adventure and usher in a new era of automotive excellence for Jeep.